Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and today we are at Sherene. Hi Sherene, how you doing?
Hi Miss Kim, I'm fine.
Okay, awesome. Alright, but before we get into talking to you, please remember guys to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so let's get into it right now. Yes Sherene, so you say you're doing good. You look good.
Not too bad. We cannot feel pain, you know. We still feel pain and also feel it bad still.
Yes.
But me take it easy.
Yes, man. And you look nice too.
Thanks, Miss Kim. And God bless you, Miss Kim. God bless Mr. Kim. God bless the sponsors them. Jamaican overseas.
Yes.
I am happy for the sponsors, and I'm happy for Miss Kim, I'm happy for Mr. Marcel, and I'm asking God to keep them and keep me also, give me everlasting life that we can live to see another day. And I'm thank God for the help, because without God I would get through, and I thank the sponsors them so much, and I thank Miss Kim and Mr. Kim so much. God bless them all. Oh, this store basket will never empty.
You are most welcome. So Sherene, the last time we came and we spoke with you, you did say that, you know, it would be nice if it is that you were able to start a chicken business so you can help to, you know, sustain yourself. And, you know, after we posted that video, we have 2 donors who would have reached out to us and they would have sent us some funds to purchase the chicken for you. So I have to say thank you first of all to our 2 donors. God bless you so much. One is anonymous and the other we'll refer to as Beverly from Florida. So thank you guys, much blessing and love to you. All right, so right now Sherene, as we speak, we have the chicken and we have the feed. All right,
thanks.
Right, so we'll hand over that in a little while. What happened? Go ahead.
Thank you, sponsors. Miss Beverly from Florida. Thank you, next sponsors. God bless you all.
Next time.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Hi, how are you?
I'm to call to you, darling.
Okay, how you doing?
Yeah, not bad.
Okay. I saw you, you know, when you work.
I'm going to bush, you know.
Oh, you go bush?
Yeah, I have some yam, I go plant.
You go plant today?
Yeah, planting day.
Oh, today is plant.
I wash first, and I know for about 50 bank.
Oh, you go do 50 bank. And now is what, after 10 to 11?
Yeah, I be there now, I'm going. You have to do, yeah, man.
That's true, yes. All right, so yes, Sherene, so we are here with the chickens and the feed, right?
Yes, Miss Kim.
So we have the chicken, the 50 chickens, and we have is it 5 or 6 bags of feed? Oh, what happened?
I think at 25, you know. I got 25, that's how I keep it.
But when we came, remember you did say 25 for one and 25 for the other?
But truly last night they eat the mother chicken, one whole heap.
Them eat a whole heap of your mother chicken last night? In our fair cube?
Mommy, you still have a chicken them?
Rat eat them.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I go 180 now, 130. I don't have 30. I say 30. I'm not sure 30 left in me.
So them eat the 100 chicken last night?
Actually, I have 1 box of dead chicken. We can come and
oh no, how old were they?
See, they have feed me. 10 bag of feed me by 1 pound.
Oh no. Oh, you cat, I wonder where the baby is.
Sometimes I don't see the devil, man.
Yeah.
Because maybe to me go to church and see the devil test me. Yes, because me go to church and see they ask them. And that never happened before.
Oh,
so
no.
it must be a testing.
Yes.
So me not quarreling.
Yeah, don't give up.
I don't quarrel and I don't say.
Thank you very much, Miss Kim and Mr. Marcel.
Yes,
God bless you all. Thank you, sponsors them. God bless them all also. I'm happy for the chicken because I did want it to help myself because I have it real difficult.
Yes.
So I'm so thankful for it. God bless you all.
You are welcome. You are welcome. Miss Dorothy.
So you can't chicken for?
Miss Daphne, you're coming well busy. Oh, you're gonna shop. Okay. Are you a cat this?
130 chicken right now.
And I'm my cat, I'm my next door neighbor cat.
Oh.
I don't know how they get in, but them broke in I come.
Oh no.
I mean, hear them last night, you know, but me can't come out because I'm one in my house and, you know, so at night time, you know, out and I'm afraid to come out.
Yeah, that
So
sounds like...
when them holler last night,
That sounds like some big rats.
I call her.
Me hear them a cry, but I come out, me can't come out. If me did have one company if you come out with.
Yeah, you'd have come out, come check.
Me that save some of them.
Yes.
Me save all, but so much gonna eat. But me one couldn't come out, brother. Me hear them in a but me can't do in the house and listen, because me can't come out, brother.
Yes. Oh no. So all that gone, all that chicken.
So I don't know how we have to get some thinking and tap up and
Yeah.
I call me
come and see me can make him buy one pound and nail up when can nail up. So I chicken in a can now.
Yes.
You have to go get it put nail up and stop it. You have to go back and go plant him and come back.
Okay.
Just leave them here, so
Yeah, leave it with that. Can make she put them in there because I'm sure I them this month.
Because so you would fix it when you come back later.
Right at that we have to go do.
Okay.
We have to go do. Because we can't go make them empty them.
All right. All right. Later then.
Yeah. So you can feed the fear with it?
Yes, we brought feeding.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So we'll go get this stuff from the car here, Sherene.
Yes, Miss Kim.
All right. So we're gonna leave the chicken right here.
I'll make you post in that box. Stuffed chicken.
All right.
So how much chicken to get?
50.
So that's the chicken, this price chicken and 2 years and with this Alright, me have a good one to go do now.
Where I put them?
Shall wait there.
Oh, which
Shall
part
make you
we're gonna put the feed?
Miss Daphne, come here. They must go stand back at the door.
Oh, just keep it until she until you come later. Okay, okay.
Nobody can go lift them up, put it over there. Who will go lift them up, put back at the door? They can't stay in the middle.
Okay. Alright guys, so we just bring in the feed done by Miss Sherene. Her mom is gonna leave because she has to go to the farm, but she says when she returns she will just organize things, so she'll take up the feed and you know take up the chicks as well. That's the last one, not true, Marcel?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Mr. Marcel, sorry if I give you work, but they have to stay back at the door. Come, put them right here so they can go plant a pipe feed. Just make it shovel them stay. Wait.
Where? No, oh no man, tell me what you do. Where?
Give me them here.
Wow.
Give me a basket and a broom. Put them here so. And give me the plastic. Yeah.
Sorry, you're Miss Daphne? Sorry, let me stand up in a yard.
Thanks so much. God bless you.
So that's how they made
And you know, so they have to get them as it there. You know, what I'm Miss Kemp, I was on Kapoor, me don't know them as
Okay.
I have a feed them.
because the 25, you know, the other 25, me never buy nothing, because me never know.
Oh, which other 25?
Remember me the thing me buy 25 chicken.
Oh, so that
The
25.
lady have,
Yeah. So what happened to that 25?
you know, already yet. Then new, then I just 1 week,
Okay, okay.
you knew.
You pack them like them are going to stay here, so.
Maybe they have to just take them out for a year, so.
Right, you have by then.
Yeah, to have a rat. So your mommy not have storage down by her cube?
Or put in a fear house.
I don't know when she come.
Enough you. You can't deal with the rat them.
Alright, it's something they can go outside, that the way the back of the door. The hook, that's something they put it back over now.
Which thing?
That.
What?
That's something they.
They pick on your
That burst?
That's what they call it.
You can't. Have to maybe just stay up. Alright, so that's your Sherene.
Thank you very much.
Alright, so Sherene, you have anything you want to say?
Thank you donors, thank you all the sponsors, thank you Miss Bev from Florida, thank you the next sponsors, Anonymous, thank you so much, God bless you. Huh?
Anonymous donor.
Anonymous, thank you. Anonymous donor, thank you very much. God bless you.
Yes,
Hope your store basket never empty. And I did really in need of the chicken because I did willing to help myself even though I lie down and cannot walk, cannot help myself. I was always determined to try. God bless you. Thank you, Miss Kem. Thank you, Mr. Marzel. God bless you all.
Yes, man, you are more than welcome. All right, so once again, just want to say thank you to our donors, Beverly from Florida and our anonymous donor. Thank you so much. May God continue to bless you richly. All right, so this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.